In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to PvP in Arcane Odyssey. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you an easy to follow guide on how to get started in PvP. Keep in mind that this is going to be a very short, beginner-friendly guide, and I'm not gonna go too much in depth about how PvP works and advanced techniques. So for general PvP advice, first, always use T-jumping while PvPing. T-jumping is wonderful because gaining height is an extremely important aspect of PvP. By staying off of the ground, people are less likely to land shots on you since moves stuck as beams have impact AoE, while also enabling you to have a better view of battle. So always use a T-jump to start off the fight. Next, use boost moves. Boost moves can be extremely useful in a fight. You can use a low strength boost move to maintain height in the air, while using a high strength boost move can be used to initially gain height off of the ground. This is because a boost move has less cast time than the T-jump, so it can be used to gain height quickly in exchange for magic energy. For high strength boost moves, try using 70 to 100% strength. For low strength boost moves, use 30 or 50. When using low strength boost moves, make sure to use it in timed intervals. You don't want to ascend too much nor descend and lose height. Now, charge while falling. It is recommended for you to charge your magic while you fall. This is going to utilize the time that it takes you to fall after staying in the air effectively. As you may know, charging your magic stuns you in place, allowing opponents to easily land hits on you, and by taking the few seconds while you are falling to fully charge your magic energy, you will be very hard to hit. Don't charge for a long time. If you are standing still, you are going to be open for more attacks from enemies, so always try to be moving and unpredictable. Charge your magic on top of your pillar if you have one, and hit a solid magic user in the air. So always try blocking attacks, dodge first, attack later, and with these beginner tips, you will be able to land your attacks and moves on PvP in Arcane Odyssey. I hope I was able to help you on how to PvP in Arcane Odyssey. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.